Bro, this PC you sold me is broken.
Already? What's happening?
It won't turn on. No lights, no fan, nothing.
Did you plug it in?
Of course I did. I'm not stupid.
Power cable fully connected?
Yes.
Power supply switch flipped to I?
There's a switch?
Back of the PSU, little O and I.
Wait, I thought the O meant on.
No, bro. I is on, O is off.
Man, this whole time,
You were trying to boot a PC that wasn't even powered.
I literally called it dead on arrival in a Discord rant.
You might want to go delete that.
Bro, I even emailed your mom asking for a refund.
My mom?
I found her email in your PayPal receipt.
Cantina app, help me. I need to speak to Roastbot. Help me roast the guy who sent me this.
Just write him this. You called my $3,000 PC trash while it was off and emailed my mom like it's 2007.
You called my $3,000 PC trash while it was off and emailed my mom like it's 2007.
Okay, chill, I didn't know.
You can download Roastbot here. You tried to cancel me over a switch.
Don't tell anyone.
Too late. Group chat already voted you out of tech support.